Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is MV Ocean Star, MV Ocean Star, MV Ocean Star. Call sign DO1234. Position 14 degrees 35 minutes north, 120 degrees 58 minutes east. We have engine room for and required immediate assistance. 10 persons on board preparing to abandon ship. Request immediate assistance. Over.
AB Ocean Star, this is Manila Coast Radio. Roger, mayday. Assistant is being coordinated. All vessels in vicinity are requested to assist. What is your current condition? Over.
Manila Coast Radio, MB Blue Wave. This is MB Ocean Star. Fire spreading. Abandon ship now. Request immediate rescue. Over.
Ship Manila Coast Radio, MV Blue Wave. This is MV Ocean Star. Fire spreading. Abandon ship now. Requesting immediate rescue. Over.
MV Ocean Star. Roger, rescue unit en route. Maintain position if possible. MV Blue Wave, proceed with caution. Manila Coast Guard, radio out.
Pan 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MBC Breeze, call sign DU5678. Position 10 degrees 18 minutes north, 120 degrees 54 minutes east. We have steering failure, not under command. Require navigational assistant. Over.
MVC Breeze. This is Cebu VTS. Roger Panpan. Advise your drift, direction, and speed. Over.
Cebu BTS, MBC Breeze, drifting southwest at 2 knots. No injuries reported. Over.
Tawag assistant is being arranged. Standby by on channel 16 Wilco.
Cebu Coast Radio, MBC Breeze, Roger, standing by. Over.
All vessels in the vicinity of MVC Breeze. Keep clear. Cebu VTS out.
Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Batangas. VTS, navigational warning. Floating debris reported in position 13 degrees 45 minutes north, 121 degrees 0 minutes east. All vessels proceed with caution. Over.
Batangas VTS, MV Island Radar. Roger, security. We are approaching the area. We reduce speed. Over.
MV Coral Queen. Batangas VTS MV Coral Queen. Roger. Altering course to avoid hazard. Over.
MB Island Trader, MB Coral Queen, Batangas BTS, Roger. Report when clear of area. Out.
Ship MV Pacific Star. Davao Coast Radio, Davao Coast Radio. This is MV Pacific Star. Call sign BU9101. Request berthing information. Over.
MB Pacific Star, this is Davao Coast Radio, Roger. Contact Davao BTS on channel 12 for berthing instruction. Over.
Davao Coast Radio, MV Pacific Star. Roger. Switching to channel 12. Out. Shape to BTS. Davao BTS. Davao BTS. This is my Pacific Star on channel 12. Requesting berthing instructions. Over.
MV Pacific Star. This is Davao VTS. Proceed to berth 3 pilot boarding at 1400 hours. Over.
Davao BTS, MB Pacific Star, Roger. Proceeding to berth 3 Wilco. Out.